Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the exact Roblox scene and fixing a stable camera angle. Stability prevents jitter between frames. Once done, set recording at 30 FPS or capture screenshots for frame-by-frame control. Make sure characters and props are grouped and named so you can move them precisely. Use consistent lighting presets to avoid flicker. Adjust exposure manually if possible. Organize a folder for frames and increment file names sequentially so you can assemble them later without confusion. Now you animate by making tiny, repeatable adjustments. Move a limb a few pixels, rotate a head by a degree, or nudge a prop slightly. Record a frame after every adjustment so motion reads smoothly when played back. Use onion skin overlays or semi-transparent guides to compare current and previous poses. This keeps spacing and timing even. Once you establish walk cycles or facial changes, loop the sequence and tweak arcs, and easing so movement looks natural rather than robotic. Finally, import your sequential frames into a video editor or animation timeline and set the target frame rate you used. You can add short holds for emphasis, basic tweens for smoothing, and sound design to sell timing, color grade to match shots. Export with a lossless or high-quality codec. If playback shows jitter, check for misaligned camera or inconsistent lighting. Re-export affected frames or use a stabilization filter to correct tiny shifts before final render.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.